Spanish. The word yes in Spanish is sí. Sí, with an accent over the I. ¿Quieres un café? Sí, por favor. ¿Quieres un café? Sí, por favor. Do you want a coffee? Yes, please. Sí, me encantaría ir al cine contigo. Sí, me encantaría ir al cine contigo. Yes, I'd love to go to the cinema with you. So you can see that sí with an accent on top means yes. If you take the accent away, then sí, spelt si, means if. They're pronounced the same, sí and sí, but in writing you can see the difference. So yes is sí with an accent on the I. ¿Te gusta el chocolate? Sí. ¿Te gusta el chocolate? Sí. Do you like chocolate? Yes. Sí, entiendo lo que dices. Sí, entiendo lo que dices. Yes, I understand what you're saying. Sí, pero necesito pensarlo un poco más. Sí, pero necesito pensarlo un poco más. Yes, but I need to think about it a bit more. So if you want to say yes in Spanish, you can say sí. If you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. You can use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount.